I'm Dave Ritzko from Transtar Industries. I'm the technical parts specialist. And today we're going to talk about a simple thing that could cause grief in your shop. If undetected, it could cause a failure. It could be what caused the failure in the vehicle. So the simple thing we're going to talk about today is tires. I know when you're looking at the transmission or other things, say you get a vehicle come in with a chatter, it chatters around corners, you have shift issues, and there's actually bulletins on this very subject, but we're talking about tire diameter. So through the years, if you have one large tire, one small tire, and one's going to spin faster, it will actually eat the differential. It takes a little time, but it depends on the tire size and the diameter. But today with these all-wheel drive systems, more computers, more speed sensors, this is becoming a toothache. So back in my day, there were a couple ways to check tire diameter. You could take a tire and you draw a white line on all four tires. You push the car or move the car and let them spin a couple times, and then you should go around and all the lines on all four tires should line up. It's close and it worked back then. Today, it's got much tighter. A 1/4 inch diameter difference in tires will absolutely cause a nightmare. Now, if the car comes in and the transfer cases or the PTU, the power transfer unit, is damaged, did it damage because it leaked? Did it damage because of miles? Or did it damage because you got tires off? Now, there's other ways to measure. You could take a piece of string and go around a tire and you kind of pinch it off and you go around, or you can give it the look, and if you got a tire this size and that size on the same axle, that's a problem. There's ways you could pull out tape measures and measure it around and try to get it. But folks, there's a better thing out there. It's called a Tire Stagger Gauge. You will see it talked about more and more often. And basically, this is what it is. It's like a giant caliper. It takes the guesswork out. So, how do you use one? When you get it and pull it out of the box, it'll have a couple tapes. You have to calibrate it when you first get it. I would put them on, but again, this is a new piece. We'll be putting it back in stock, so I didn't want to put them there. So anyway, what you would do is you open it, and it can lock, and you take it to the tire, and you measure the tire just like you would any other kind of OD thing. Now you have it. You can read the tape. You can actually hold it. So now if you go to the next tire, that's a problem. Or if you put it on a tire and you get this, that's a problem. And this, with the thing, is pretty accurate. And again, 1/4 inch, when you're looking at a round part like this, it's kind of hard to detect. So please, anytime you get shift issues, it's actually not a bad thing to do when the vehicle comes in. Again, some of these are simple checks, and it will save you in the long run of having a damage, because again, not checking this, it goes out, it might work good at first, then you start having a chatter issue or something. Does the customer come back right away, or do they drive it till it fails? You just never know today. So again, the Tire Stagger Gauge, available at Transtar. So just something to try to help you in your daily battles with these newer cars. I'm Dave Ritzko, and thanks for watching.